to tell you about my tennis elbow. So I've been having tennis elbow pains for quite a while, about 6 months to a year. Just my right side. I hurt it, I think during a wakeboarding accident. I was doing a jump and kind of landed wrong and it yanked. And when that happened, it pulled or tore some sort of muscle. I thought I let it heal, but after months later, I was doing different things, different activities, going to the gym, doing CrossFit, different things like that, just working with tools and things like that, and it would really flare up and hurt. I had to take some Advil for the pain to go away. A couple different things that they taught me. I went to physical therapy to see if I could get that, and one thing they said is go like this, kind of leave this for about 10 seconds, do the opposite, go like this, back and forth. Another thing is make your hand into a fist, put it forward like this, and kind of twist it out. You see how far you can go and just kind of go back and forth and do this kind of motion. I get varying results. I didn't really notice it feeling that much better. One online, couple of YouTube videos says this TheraBand flex bar. Take your arm like this, other one like this, twist, and then lean forward with this hand here, and then pull back slowly. I definitely feel the pain. And if I did that opposite on this hand, opposite on this hand, I'm letting it forward and back, I don't really feel any pain at all in this hand. So you definitely feel that muscle kind of straining, and that should build up the muscle over time. Even after doing all that stuff, there's still pain. I'm just sick of it. I go to University of Orthopedics and saw a doctor for it. Boom, boom, took a look at it, made sure that what was going on did an x-ray, make sure there's nothing else going on. But after he took a look at it, actually looked fine. Gave me a cortisone shot. That's what this Band-Aid's from. Feels great after that. Highly recommend getting a cortisone shot. There are very little side effects and just kind of instant pain gone. And it's going to give it almost those kind of steroids or those anti-inflammatories that it needs to cool down and heal very quickly. You should give it 3 to 4 weeks after this healing, trying not to do too much with it. So then I went to the physical therapist again after that, and just to make sure it heals right, they gave me this night band. So the way what this works is at night, just at nighttime when you go to sleep, so you're not pinching it or laying down on it or causing more damage. Put this on here, strap this in, and it looks horribly complicated and looks not super comfortable, but I just slept with it last night. It was not that bad at all. And goes like this, and basically that way you can't bend your elbow anymore. So just to get blood flow going through here, make sure that you're not laying on this at nighttime because that can cause more damage. So they leave this on for about 3 to 4 weeks while it heals, just at nighttime, and then that should let it finally be finished. So I don't have to wear this super brace anymore, have any more pain from doing those types of physical activities. So if you do have tennis elbow and you have these similar things, if you guys have any other fixes, I'd love to read about them in the comments. But that seems to be what has worked for me. So I like to give my tips of what I've seen works for me and throw it out on YouTube, and hopefully it'll help somebody else out who's having that same issue. So if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave in the comments. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.